Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an alternating accordion walkaround. I heartily recommend you already know how to do an accordion walkaround, and if you can do one of those, you'll be very ready for one of these. Just in case you need to go back and have a look at it, I'll put the link to that clip in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find. Okay, so jumping in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can finish an accordion, or we could have just let go and turned that into a travelling return. So let's break it down. It starts off exactly like an accordion walkaround. So we go back, we go offer, return, look, turn, set up your accordion walkaround, and we walk for 2. You could walk for a different amount of time, as always. Once we've done a little bit of walking, what we're going to do is we're going to pull with the left, pull with the right hand through the middle out to the right, push with the left hand through the middle out to the right, which flips the lady to the other side. We don't get as strong a connection as we would have done in a normal walkaround. So on the left hand side, it's not going to feel quite as strong, but we can easily lead the lady to walk backwards as we now walk forwards. We're going to do that for a couple, and then we're going to reverse that. Keep the lady now walking forwards as we go backwards for a couple, reverse it, ladies, go around for a couple, and at the end of it all, what we're going to do is we're going to extend with the right to drop the lady into a step back and turn that into a travelling return that we can do as an accordion movement, one hand then the other. Okay, so let's do that again, and this time we'll talk numbers. So we go back, offer 1, return 2, look 3, turn 4, preparation 5, we're going to walk 1 and 2. We're going to flip and walk 3 and 4. We're going to flip and walk 5 and 6. We're going to flip and walk 7 and 8. We're going to drop the lady back 1 through 2 and face 3. And that's it. Let's see if it works. Here we go. 5, 6, alternating accordion walkaround. Offer, round, look, round, prep, walk, walk, flip, walk, flip, walk, flip, walk, back, over, and we're done. That's the whole thing. And obviously you can change where the flips go, and you can change the type of exit you take from it. There's loads of options there. Okay, so like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell will mean you get told every time a new video comes out, as long as you have notifications turned on. Music recommendation on the end of a tune that'd be nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.